It may look like ordinary black powder, but it could become one of the key materials for next-generation lithium batteries. This is single-walled carbon nanotubes. With the rapid development of high-energy density batteries, silicon carbon anodes, and solid-state batteries, demand for high-quality SWCNTs is growing rapidly. Many companies can produce samples in the lab, but scaling up to mass production remains a challenge. The key lies in achieving a stable, continuous manufacturing process. Today, FCCVD has become one of the leading technologies for industrial SWCNT production. Boyee's FCCVD SWCNT production equipment uses multi-stage ultrasonic atomization feeding, precise temperature control, a preheated gas inlet system, and a continuous collection system to achieve automated production from precise feeding, catalyst formation, continuous growth, to continuous collection, improving both product consistency and production efficiency. Boyee also provides a one-stop production line solution covering growth, purification, dispersion, and slurry preparation, helping customers quickly scale from laboratory research to mass production. Boyee is committed to breaking the barriers to SWCNT industrialization and bringing advanced laboratory materials into large-scale applications for the new energy battery industry.